Hi guys, it's Taylor here. Today we're going to be doing our dance tutorial with Fitz. Here we have Rachel and Faith, and this is our dance tutorial number 1. So here we go. Alright guys, so we're going to break it down. Here are the first dance moves. So we're going to go start forward with our arms up, then we're going to go back, forward, back, and then one last time forward and back, and then we'll stop there. Alright, are you guys ready with the music? Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Good job guys. Alright. Let's go again. 2 more times. 3, 2, 1. Alright, how was that? Good? Alright. Should we go one more time?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1, and go. Good job. Okay, are we ready to add in the second move? Alright, so when we finish at the back with our hands up, we're going to go in, go out, in again, out, in, out, and one last time, in and out. Alright, so we do that 4 times, alright? So finish here, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, and out. Alright, are we ready to do that with the music 3 times?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. Starting with our front foot forward. Alright, good job guys. Another 2 times. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Alright, we'll do that one last time. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Alright, how'd you guys get that?
Awesome.
Good. Okay, our third move, we're going to put our front foot forward, our hands up, and we're going to sit into the hip, come up really slowly, go back down. And that's 2 fast movements, so 1, 2, and then we go down slowly and then back up slowly. You guys have that?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll go again. So, sitting into the hip, go up, slow, down, fast, and then slow again. Alright, do you guys want to do that with the music 3 times?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Alright, do you guys want to do that another 2 times?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Alright, one last time. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Alright, good job guys. Okay, our last move is bringing our legs together, facing forward. We're going to put our hands on our knees, starting with them out, and we're going to go slow in, and then we're going to go out fast twice, and then slow back in and slow out. Alright, are you guys want me to do this again? Alright, so hands on the knees, starting with them out, going slow in, out twice, fast, and then slow in, and then back out again. Alright, are we ready to go with the music 3 times?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. 2 times?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Good job, guys. Just one more time. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Alright, awesome work, guys. Thank you guys very much. We'll see you next time. Bye.